Hey, this is Shawn Cole for Shawn Cole Enterprises. You found my YouTube page where I show you how to make money online through several means. And I basically show you that and how give you tips on how to do that and how to be successful making money online in your home based business. What I'm going to go over today is a company royalty that I talk about a lot. You've seen it here on my channel if you follow me. And if you don't, I suggest that you subscribe to my channel to get more tips on how to make money online from home. Okay. And what I'm going to talk about today is, like I said, the company royalty. And I want to show you the new royalty back office using the new AI system here in the year 2020 and how it has upgraded. I'm going to share my screen with you here so you can see exactly how it works and how the Royaltie AI system works. Because I've been getting a lot of questions on from potential customers on how it works and just basically how it looks. So I'm going to show you here in this video today. All right. As you can see here, when you log in, this is what you see once you become a customer of Royaltie. First page you're going to see here on your laptop will be suggested posts for the day. It will be content posts because, like I said, we are emphasizing content marketing because that's really what's working best nowadays. And what it does is kind of creates, once you get into the system, you have your website landing page set up, your blog created for you, your email campaigns created for you. Every day you will get suggestions here in your back office, either here on your laptop, or you also get it on your phone. You can do this on your phone, less than 5 minutes. And they'll give you suggestions on posts, and content that is related to your specific niche. And the purpose of this is that, say you're on social media, say you're on Facebook, and you're advertising your opportunity, your business. People don't want to be bombarded just with constant posts of your business all the time, They want diversity. So basically, what we suggest is posts that are in your niche, related to your niche, but necessarily about you or your business. Okay. And what it does is that it attracts people that are interested in your niche, right? You're giving them information on whatever your niche may be, collecting their leads, collecting them as leads. You're collecting their name, their emails, phone numbers, if you like. And basically, they're subscribing to your list. So once they subscribe to your list and you post content from Royaltie, they will receive it as an email, and also the blog post will go to your blog that the Royaltie AI system has created for you. So you don't have to worry about any of that, And this is perfectly good for a person that is short on time running their business, or someone that might not be that tech savvy. This is where this AI system really comes in hand. Okay. So like I said, you have posts that are suggested and for landing pages that I have currently running. Like I said, view from home, make from one landing page I have here, website, make money with Shawn, article, how to work from home, 20 tips from people who do it. You can click here, you can view the content if you like. You can like this post if you want, you can post it, or you can keep going. Another suggestion: 7 easy ways to make money at home in 2019. Again, you'll post it, you can save for later, you can view the content here if you like. Another different landing page that I have with the AI system. On the specific plan that I have, I'm allowed to have the AI software running on 3 different websites, which is good for collecting leads. And this here is advertised with Shawn as the landing page website. The content that they are suggesting: how to make money online, 26 real ways to earn money. Okay, you can click, then like it. Another suggestion is here's a video. Again, for another different landing page: how to make an app when you can't code, step by step, good content that here it is being supplied. And also another one for MLM, exploiting the pyramid, multi-level marketing. That's another video content. All right, so let's go back. And let's say I want to post 7 easy ways to make money at home Well, let's not do that just 2019. Let's say right here, 20 tips how to work from home. Let's say I want to post this content to my page and to my blog. Okay. Basically what I'll do, click post here. It says post to send. Where do I want to send it to? Come on now. I want to send it to Facebook. Click on Facebook. Click share. There we go. And it comes up like this. You can write a brief description if you like. On to work create this little basic title right here. And here for this test, I'm going to post it here to my news feed. I'm going to click post to Facebook. All right. Then here it takes you back. It says posted, ? Have you succeeded with publishing your post? You're going to click here. Yes. All right. And this is where the fun comes in. Your social media marketing is done, right? Great. Click here. Would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Of course I would. And post yes. Your blog done. Awesome. Click. Continue on. Would you like to email this content to your followers? Of course I would. And followers means that are prospects that have opted into my landing page, either through other marketing means or through the content marketing that I use here with the Royaltie system. So I'm going to say, yes, I would like to email this to them. Your email is done. Excellent. Click excellent. And you're done. Post, blog, emails done to your list that easily. And as you can see, that whole process minus the descriptions and the, me going through everything for y'all took me less than 2 minutes to do if I was coming here doing this myself without making this video to display for y'all. That's how simple this system is and how it works and how it can work for you and your business. If you are an experienced business owner or if you're a new business owner that, is just not that tech savvy, this is how Royaltie's AI system can benefit you, save you a lot of time, and simplify things for you, and maybe give you some elements to your marketing that you might not have had previously. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me again. My name is Shawn Cole. You can reach me here, leave a message here on this video, or you can reach out to me personally. 410-929-3390. That's my personal number where you can reach me. And you can send me a message, or if you saw this video and you liked it and like what Royaltie has to offer, and you're interested in taking a free trial or signing up right now, I'll place the links in the description section of this video for you to do that. And again, still, if you're planning on do that, reach out to me also so I can help you through the process on how to get you set up and started so that you got everything going that you need to go. All right. Again, my name is Shawn. Here at Shawn Cole Enterprises. My phone number, 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.